Good morning, guys. Today is April 29, and I'm gonna make a quick review about Ethereum. Now, this morning I wake up today, and honestly, I'm kind of impressed by Ethereum performance because it's been almost 2 weeks now since we've been expecting a small pullback. Any pullback, any pullback less than 10% will be fine. But Ethereum is literally on its own world right now. And I did told you that this presentation right there is extremely bullish from a technical analysis perspective. But I'm not gonna lie, I did not expect it to be that bullish. It's like way bullish than I thought it would be. And even with all these years in trading, I'm not gonna lie, there is no 100% precision, and I'm impressed honestly, and I'm telling you guys, this is the first time I'm seeing that kind of stuff, because this is what we have in Bitcoin in 4 hour time frame. Bitcoin is literally struggling for like 2 or 3 days right now with 55,000, and Ethereum seems to just don't care. I knew that I always said it, that Ethereum has its own brand, but the fact that Ethereum can literally do his own thing is very interesting, and I'm pretty sure that that's not the kind of thing that happen often. Now, in a daily time frame, so we're gonna have, because of that, this is a particular moment, we're gonna have to make some review about what we did so far in the last 2 months. Last month we did enter exactly here. This was our first major position for the year. So that we spent a lot of time waiting for entry, but this is where we enter actually at the very, exactly here, somewhere here at 1500 or something like that. And then after that we did 100 Ethereum. That was now if you're not in the virtual beacon server, this is where we make all these trades. They are open to everybody for you to learn the style, not copy, to learn the style. So we did 100 Ethereum here, and then we did try to open up to 300 Ethereum here, but the market didn't go as low as we did expected it. So we did add another 100 Ethereum here in our massive position in the server, somewhere here. Okay, and then we did try to enter a decent retest. Now, we have been expecting a retest, conventional, if I can say it like that. But I have to come back and review this entire thing and accept the fact that this week right there is probably the retest that we've been waiting for so long. Now, this is impressive, and this is extremely bullish, guy. A retest that happened that fast and that quick in less than 4 hours is insanely bullish. So we did try to triple this position here, but the market did not get as low as we expected it. So far we did catch this swing, we did catch this win, but this small pullback happened way too fast for us to decently catch it from our analysis. So the other thing we did is that we sold 100 Ethereum here. So we did around anywhere between $900 to $1,000 per Ethereum. So, and then we did a small scalp of another 100 Ethereum here in one day. We sold it in one day, but this is not this will not be considered as a swing. So far we have been trying to re-enter here just to get back to 200 ETH. But the thing is that this bullish sentiment in Ethereum is just strong, slow and steady. No real pullback, it's just keep going up night. So because of that behavior, that kind of bullish, slow and steady bullish is extremely strong. I think that not I think, and I said it in the server, we'll probably never sell Ethereum anymore because we did decent profit somewhere here. We are still in the beginning of the year, So I think that we're just gonna keep doing analysis or on other coin, but when it comes to Ethereum, we're just gonna let it ride all the way up, till I don't know, September, November, or if we have a serious signal that the market has changed its trend. Now, so far, all we're gonna do is keep moving our stop loss up. That's what we're gonna do. Now, our stop loss is actually at $1,700 for $1,500 entry price. So if this thing keep going up, we're gonna literally move our stop loss to $2,000. So far, when it comes to Ethereum, I still have some hope because I've never seen anything going up like this without any pullback. I still have hope that we might try to catch this wave right there. Let me show you. Still want to try it to catch this thing, but because I've never seen anything going up without any pullback. But if not, we'll just keep whatever position we have open and let it ride without pullback. Now this is, we have to we make modification every time we have to come back here. This is how we are trying to enter. I did show you how to make that Fibonacci entry strategy, and so far we're still waiting. What we are doing is we're not entering, we're just trying to increase the size of the position. We are already in it. If you are in a server, you know that we've been in Ethereum since almost more than a month now. We've been in Ethereum for more than a month. We've been in Ethereum since February. So this position has been doing just fine, and we already took profit from it, and now we're not gonna sell at all. We're just gonna let it ride until this is interesting. Now, another thing I want you guys to pay attention is this. Now, that we call correction. Every single coin in the market did correct, and down to like 30 and something percent. Now, this thing right there, I want you to pay attention to this, and this is something you need to put in your MACD interpretation arsenal. When you have an histogram that is red, and the asset, it doesn't matter, Ethereum, stock market, whatever, the asset is not dipping, this is what I call a flat correction. A flat correction is known to be extremely bullish. What does that mean? That means that the bear, they are dumping their asset here, but the bulls, they are stepping in strong enough to maintain the price. So the histogram, since from the indicator class that we talk, that the histogram is a lagging indicator, but it's still a momentum indicator, in a sense that this is telling you about the relationship between supply and demand. And then what we see here is that the histogram is telling you that yes, the bear, they are dumping their Ethereum, or if maybe people that don't really believe in Ethereum, or people that underestimate it. But those who bought Ethereum, they seems to have a serious fundamental reason, or technical analysis reason, or even emotional reason to just hold to that stuff. With that being said, they are stepping in, and that's the reason why the price do not drop, even if they've been dumping serious level of Ethereum. Now we are over 2,500, and I don't see any short seller with experience trying to short that stuff. You can go ahead and bleed your portfolio if you try to short it. Now, shorting Ethereum is probably the worst thing to do right now. We just don't know where this thing is going. So like I said, I want you to pay attention to that thing, and every time you see this is interesting, important. Now you will have to develop a more precise or different type of way to enter a trade here, especially at lower time frame, which we don't really do. But if you have a style that can catch a swing here and enter here, a decent way to take a loss if ever that thing go against you, you will be able to take advantage of the fact that Ethereum in itself is still extremely bullish. So that's it for Ethereum right now, guys, and have a good one. If you have a question, you can feel free to find me on the virtual Bitcoin server. This is the only place I trade cryptocurrency, and the link is on the description below. You can make sure you subscribe for our daily analysis. I have a video about moving average that I've been working on for like three weeks, because I want you to understand those concepts very good, and I don't want to have to do them again. So alright, guys, have a good one. Take care. Bye.